are more than 1 million limb amputations around the world every year.
I have a schoolmate who cannot control his right hand fingers and wrists because of the brain disease. With the physical limitation, he can just move his elbow. Neither 3D print prosthetic nor EMG control prosthetic are suitable for him. Based on the above reason, my team spent 2 years to invent Hydraulimb to help him.
Firstly, we have made a trial version which does not need batteries, is weatherproof and made the activities of daily life easier. But there is room for improvement compared with myoelectric hand.
This is a myoelectric hand. It is too heavy, hard to control, and it can just open or close.
This is our latest design. Users can select different grip patterns. The first one is pointer. We can use it for typing or pressing a button. The second one is used for general purpose. And the last one is a precise grip. You can pick up the coin easily. This is the first artificial hand which can pick up a coin from the floor or a table.
Back to the myoelectric hand. If you want to rotate the hand, you need to turn it manually. Our design has a wrist rotation mechanism. It is a completely unique function, making our design the only body-powered artificial hand can rotate the wrist easily.
Bending with a straw requires the use of different muscles. After picking up a straw from table, you need to rotate the straw in order to insert it into the cup lid. Then hold the cup and drink.
Our design has some innovative ideas. The first one is the power transmission. If I press this hydraulic cylinder, the water will be forced to move the piston. Then the fingers move. That is why no battery is required.
Next, the thermosensitive fingertip means users can feel the heat when touching hot objects. The color of fingertip will change from black to red in order to warn users to pay attention. Also, with only one hand, our design can be operated.
Our design has surpassed other artificial hand with its innovative features and low cost. It will help amputees to perform everyday tasks like drawing, writing, and using chopstick and ease. Most importantly, they gain back their control and pride. To sum up, our design has the following features: it's low cost,
It's battery-free,
And weatherproof. Finally, it's multifunctional and highly practical. This is the end of our sharing. Thank you for your time. Bye bye!